Are you curious about the benefits of vitamin K2 MK7? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring the many functions and sources of vitamin K2 MK7 and how it can contribute to your overall well-being. Vitamins are essential nutrients that our body needs in order to function properly. One of these essential vitamins is vitamin K2, also known as menaquinone 7 or MK7. This vitamin is not as well known as some of the other vitamins, but it plays an important role in maintaining good health. In this video, we will explore the benefits and sources of vitamin K2 MK7 and how it can contribute to our overall well-being. What is vitamin K2 MK7? Vitamin K2 MK7 is a fat-soluble vitamin that is produced by bacteria in the intestine. It is also found in some foods such as fermented foods like natto, cheese, egg yolk, and meat. Vitamin K2 MK7 is a type of menaquinone, which is a group of compounds that have similar structures, but different lengths of the side chain. Functions of vitamin K2 MK7. Vitamin K2 MK7 plays several important roles in the body. It is primarily known for its role in blood clotting, but it also helps to maintain healthy bones and teeth, and may even have benefits for cardiovascular health. Blood clotting. One of the most important functions of vitamin K2 MK7 is its role in blood clotting. Vitamin K2 MK7 activates a protein called prothrombin, which is necessary for blood clotting to occur. Without vitamin K2 MK7, the body would not be able to properly form blood clots, which could lead to excessive bleeding. Bone health. Vitamin K2 MK7 also plays a role in maintaining healthy bones. It activates a protein called osteocalcin, which is responsible for binding calcium to the bone matrix. Without vitamin K2 MK7, the body would not be able to properly utilize calcium, which could lead to weakened bones and an increased risk of fractures. Cardiovascular health. Recent studies have suggested that vitamin K2 MK7 may also have benefits for cardiovascular health. It has been shown to help reduce arterial calcification, which is a buildup of calcium in the arteries that can lead to heart disease. Sources of vitamin K2 MK7. As mentioned earlier, vitamin K2 MK7 is produced by bacteria in the intestine. However, the amount produced is often not enough to meet our daily needs. Therefore, it is important to include food sources of vitamin K2 MK7 in our diet. Fermented foods. Fermented foods like natto, a Japanese soybean dish, are one of the best sources of vitamin K2 MK7. One serving of natto contains over 1000% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin K2 MK7. Other fermented foods like cheese, sauerkraut, and kefir also contain vitamin K2 MK7, although in smaller amounts. Animal products. Animal products like egg yolks, liver, and meat are also good sources of vitamin K2 MK7. However, it is important to choose high-quality, grass-fed, or pastured animal products, as these contain higher levels of vitamin K2 MK7 than conventionally raised animals. Supplements. If you are unable to get enough vitamin K2 MK7 from your diet, supplements are also available. These supplements are usually derived from natto or fermented soybeans, and are available in both capsule and liquid form. Recommended daily intake. The recommended daily intake of vitamin K2 MK7 varies depending on age and gender. The National Institutes of Health (NIH) recommends the following daily intakes. Adult men, 120 micrograms per day. Adult women, 90 micrograms per day. It is important to note that these recommendations may not be sufficient for individuals with certain health conditions or taking certain medications. So it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Potential side effects. Vitamin K2 MK7 is generally considered safe when taken in recommended doses. However, high doses may cause an increased risk of bleeding, particularly in individuals taking blood-thinning medications. Additionally, individuals with certain medical conditions, such as kidney disease, may need to limit their intake of vitamin K2 MK7. Thanks for tuning in to learn more about vitamin K2 MK7. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more health and wellness content. And as always, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen.